Structural inspections are routine checks that keep an aircraft safe and reliable over its service life. They're not about finding anything we see. They're planned activities to find damage early before it grows into a bigger problem. Monitor fatigue, corrosion, cracking, and wear, and make sure the airplane stays within design limits and airworthiness standards. Inspections bridge design and real-world use, so safety stays front and center throughout operations. The most basic but essential inspection is the visual check. Eyes, mirrors, cameras, and borescopes looking for obvious dents, cracks, corrosion, missing fasteners, or deformation. Visual inspections can be done on wings, fuselage, landing gear, and joints without special tools, but inspectors are trained to know where to look and what subtle signs matter most, because even surface changes can signal deeper issues. Non-destructive inspection, NDI or NDT, is the set of tools that let technicians see inside parts without breaking them, from eddy current and ultrasonic testing to dye penetrant, radiography, thermography, and more. And each is chosen based on the material and type of flaw you're hunting. These methods help detect cracks, corrosion, material loss, or disbonding that you can't see with the naked eye, making inspections thorough and safe. Inspectors don't just check randomly. They follow schedules tied to flight hours, cycles, or calendar intervals based on damage tolerance and structural integrity programs. These intervals balance the likelihood of damage growth and the probability of finding it in time. They also define where and how inspections are done, because some areas are easy to access and others require removal of panels, borescope checks, or special scaffolding to reach hidden structural zones. Planned intervals keep inspections consistent and predictable. Not all damage is obvious. Fatigue cracks, corrosion under paint, or delamination in composites can hide beneath the surface. That's where advanced inspection techniques shine. Ultrasonic waves, eddy current probes, dye penetrants, and remote digital video, RVI, let technicians detect these hidden anomalies before they become safety critical. Combining methods increases confidence that both surface and subsurface damage are found early. Once an inspection finds something, aircraft teams don't just mark it and move on. Every finding is evaluated against criteria for acceptance, repair, monitoring, or part replacement, often guided by maintenance manuals or regulatory standards. Action might be minor, like cleaning and sealing, or major, like structural repair or component replacement. All steps are documented, so the aircraft record reflects real health history and corrective action feeds future inspection planning.